Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week's topic, expanding your service offerings. As an auto repair shop owner, expanding your service offerings can be a strategic move to attract new customers, increase revenue streams, and differentiate your shop from competitors. Diversification allows you to cater to a broader range of customer needs while maximizing your profitability. In today's video, we will explore strategies to help auto repair shop owners identify profitable opportunities for expanding their service offerings. Conduct market research. Start by conducting thorough market research to identify gaps and opportunities in your local area. Analyze customer demographics, their vehicle preferences, and the demand for specific services. Consider factors such as the make and model of vehicles in your region, emerging automotive trends, and any underserved niches. This research will help you identify profitable service opportunities that align with market demands. Assess customer needs and feedback. Listen to your customers and pay attention to their needs and feedback. Engage in conversations with them during their visits, conduct customer surveys, and monitor online reviews. Identify recurring requests for services that you don't currently offer. Understanding your customers' pain points and preferences will guide you in expanding your service offerings to meet their needs. Evaluate industry trends and technological advancements. Stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technological advancements in automotive repairs. Research new tools, diagnostic equipment, and software that can enable you to offer additional services. Stay informed about emerging technologies such as electric vehicles or hybrid systems, as these can present opportunities for specialized services and repairs. Leverage existing customer relationships. Your existing customer base can be an excellent source of opportunities for service expansion. Reach out to your loyal customers and inform them about any new services you plan to offer. Their feedback and willingness to try new services can help you gauge the demand and feasibility of expanding your service offerings. Assess competitor offerings. Study your competitors and their service offerings. Identify any gaps or areas where you can differentiate your shop. Look for services that are in high demand but may not be widely offered in your area. By filling those gaps, you can attract customers who are seeking specialized services or unique solutions. Consider ancillary services. Think beyond traditional auto repairs and consider offering ancillary services that complement your core offerings. These can include services such as vehicle detailing, windshield repairs, tire sales and services, or specialized installations like car audio systems or aftermarket accessories. These additional services can enhance the overall customer experience and generate additional revenue streams. Train and equip your technicians. Ensure your technicians are trained and equipped to handle the expanded service offerings. Provide them with the necessary training, certifications, and access to specialized tools and equipment. Investing in your technicians' skills and knowledge will enable them to deliver high-quality services and build customer trust. Expanding your service offerings can be a strategic move to grow your auto repair shop and stay competitive in the market. By utilizing the strategies presented in this video, you can identify profitable opportunities for diversification. Evaluate the feasibility, demand, and competition for new services and equip your technicians accordingly. By offering a diverse range of services that cater to customer needs, you can attract new customers, increase revenue streams, and position your shop as a one-stop solution for automotive repair and services. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.